So, how was the movie?
Oh, not bad.
What was it about?
It's about a policeman who goes crazy and starts chasing people. Lots of excitement, car chases, things like that. You'd like it.
Did you enjoy the movie?
Yeah, it was terrific. It really made me laugh.
So what's the story about?
It's about this funny guy who gets lost on the freeway. He gets off at the wrong exit, and then everything starts to go wrong.
What movie did you see?
I saw a movie called Nightlife.
What's it about?
It's about these things that come out of the ground at night and start attacking people.
Sounds pretty frightening.
Yeah, it was.
What was the movie like on Saturday?
Great. I really enjoyed it. Terrific special effects and an interesting story.
What's it about?
It's about a scientific experiment. They give this family some special drugs and they go to sleep for 100 years. It's all about what happens when they wake up and how the world has changed.
So, tell me about the movie.
Oh, it's one of those cowboy stories. The usual thing. A cowboy rides into town on his horse, cleans up the town, and rides out with a girl.
Sounds like quite a story.
Yeah, really.
Did you enjoy the movie?
Yeah, it was really exciting. It's about a famous gang that takes over a hotel. So along comes this tough guy. I'm off. Lots of action. I enjoyed it.
Hey, would you like to go to a movie tonight?
Yeah, I'd love to. What's on?
Hats Off to Harry is playing at the Gateway Theater. It's about a boy that gets lost, ends up in Hollywood, and becomes a big star.
Who's in it?
Well, besides the boy, Russell Hill.
Oh, he's a funny guy. Let's go.